really wish I could see Traveler right about now. I miss them. They are always busy with work and finding their sibling. I really want to see them, but I shouldn't bother them right now. I mean, they wouldn't mind if I just gave them a hug. Let's go find them. Traveler, are you there? Where are you? Traveler, are you here? Oh, there you are. I was looking for you. Yeah, I know you're working, but I want some attention, please. I know you're busy. It's just you haven't been giving me enough attention. Yes, I know you're busy, but it's just I'm not used to it. Can I have a kiss? No. Come on. You won't even give me a kiss? Wow. I thought you loved me. Okay, fine. At least give me a hug. Not even that. Wow. So mean. I'ma go hang out with other people instead, since you don't want to talk to me. They'll keep me company, unlike you. What do you mean, no? You just said you wouldn't want to give me a kiss or a hug, and now you're not wanting me to hang out with anybody? Are you kidding me? That is really... Whatever. I'm going to get ready. Ow! Why did you pull me? Let go. Fine. But you have to give me a kiss if you want me to stay. No, you have to give me a kiss and attention. Deal. Now give me a hug. I missed your touch. I miss being with you. Now you're just so busy for me. Too busy. You know I love attention. I crave for it every day. You know, we haven't made love in a while. Are you willing to make love today? Really? Okay. Come give me a kiss. Wait. Wait. traveler. More. More. That's the spot. I love you, traveler. Traveler. Jeez, that felt good. I haven't felt that in a while. Yeah, I missed you a lot. That goes to show you how much I love you and miss you. You should try to buy some time for me, you know? It gets really lonely without you. Yeah. I love you too. Now let's get some sleep. You have a big day ahead of you, and so do I.